Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful jute crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you're enjoying more videos. So let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Jute is a simple natural material, but it can be used to create so many beautiful things for our homes. It has a warm nature and handmade look. The best thing about jute craft is that they can look beautiful without being too expensive. With some jute craft, jute fabric, a few simple materials, and a little creative, you can create wonderful decoration for almost every room in your home. So let's explore some amazing jute craft idea that can inspire your next diaper. Jute rope basket. A simple basket can be made by wrapping jute rope around a counter or shaping the rope into a basket. This basket can be used to store blankets, towels, toys, or small household items. You can also add fabric handle or a simple rope for extra decoration. A jute basket looks especially beautiful in room with a nature or farmhouse style decoration. And weavers, my next idea is friends. And weavers, my next idea is friends. Jute flower decor. Jute can also be used to make beautiful flower. You can cut jute fabric into simple shape and create pattern. Add silver petal together and place a small button or beads in the center. This handmade flower can be used to decorate box, frame, bags, wall hanging, or gifts backpack. You can also combine jute fabric with the lace and ribbon for a soft and elegant look. And weavers, my next idea is friends. Weavers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers.